How to install Subaru cargo carrier. Are you ready to hit the road and take your Subaru on an epic adventure? Well, you're going to need some extra storage space for all your gear. Lucky for you, installing a Subaru cargo carrier is a breeze. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to easily attach your cargo carrier to your Subaru and hit the road with confidence. First things first, you'll need to gather all your tools and materials. You'll need your Subaru cargo carrier, which can be purchased from your local Subaru dealer or online, as well as any necessary hardware that comes with it. You'll also need a wrench or socket set to help with the installation. Once you have everything you need, the first step is to locate the roof rails on your Subaru. These are the bars that run along the top of your car and are typically used for attaching various accessories. Make sure your roof rails are clean and free of any debris before proceeding. Next, position your Subaru cargo carrier on top of your roof rails. Make sure it is centered and evenly spaced on both sides of your vehicle. It's important to ensure that the carrier is secure and level before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to attach the cargo carrier to your Subaru. Take your wrench or socket set and tighten the bolts or clamps provided with your cargo carrier to secure it to the roof rails. Make sure to tighten each bolt or clamp evenly to ensure a secure fit. Once you have tightened all the bolts or clamps, give your Subaru cargo carrier a gentle shake to make sure it is attached securely. If it feels loose or wobbly, go back and check that all the bolts or clamps are tightened properly. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Subaru cargo carrier. Now it's time to load up all your gear and hit the road. Whether you're heading to the mountains for a weekend of skiing or to the beach for some fun in the sun, your Subaru cargo carrier will provide the extra storage space you need for all your adventure essentials. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines when installing your Subaru cargo carrier and never exceed the weight limit recommended by the manufacturer. With proper installation and care, your Subaru cargo carrier will serve you well on all your future adventures. So get out there and explore with confidence. It is time to find a Thule box for your Subaru Outback. Are you ready to hit the road and explore the great outdoors? Well, we've got some great news for you. Thule boxes are the perfect addition to your Subaru Outback, allowing you to bring along all of your adventure essentials without sacrificing any space inside your vehicle. Now, you may be wondering, what size Thule box fits on a Subaru Outback? We're here to tell you that the possibilities are endless. Thule offers a variety of sizes and styles that are compatible with your trusty Subaru Outback. Whether you're looking for a sleek and compact box or a spacious and roomy one, Thule has got you covered. If you're a minimalist traveler who likes to keep things simple, the Thule Force XT Sport might be the perfect fit for you. This smaller-sized box still offers ample storage space for your gear while maintaining a low profile on your vehicle. It's easy to install and remove, making it a convenient option for your Subaru Outback. On the other hand, if you're a seasoned adventurer who likes to bring along all the bells and whistles, the Thule Motion XT Alpine might be more your style. This larger-sized box provides all the space you need to bring along your skis, snowboards, camping gear, and more. Plus, its aerodynamic design helps reduce wind resistance and noise, giving you a smooth and quiet ride. No matter which Thule box you choose for your Subaru Outback, you can rest assured knowing that Thule products are built to last. Their durable construction and top-notch materials ensure that your gear stays safe and secure, no matter how bumpy the road gets. So, get ready to hit the road with confidence and embark on unforgettable adventures with your Subaru Outback and Thule box.